this way. Not right now.
I'm a dolphin.
Trash.
I'm a great white shark.
Let me see. Motherfuckers. Let me try. Real motherfuckers.
Huh.
What happened?
You picked all the same ones as me except I picked green.
Great white shark. You a shark.
Wait, Mama's turn.
Thanks.
Wait, can I do the what's my animal voice?
You're a blue crab. Daddy got a Chesapeake.
So mommy. So, let's see.
Did you do microbe or animal?
He did animal. Wait, let me try.
I want to go.
I want to
He
go.
wants to do microbe. He hasn't gone yet.
Oh.
You're also a dolphin.
My room is, well, it's always neat and tidy.
No, it's not. It's kind of dirty.
My bedroom.
You stay up late.
And then my
Straight.
the
Can I go now?
yeah.
No. It's like the same with the best.
What? We have different things. Wait, can I try?
Wow.
49% you don't.
I'm Simbi.
Wait, can I try? This one it's different.
Oh, are they different animals? Oh, Mama, it's different animals.
Oh, wait, let me try this one. What's your ocean microbe?
It's a thing. Can I try?
Sweet blade. And here's mostly straight. What? I thought it was different. I thought like I was soccer. You're a dolphin? You look like one.
Okay.
That's not an insult.
No.
Well, I'm glad you didn't get that. You got a great white.
I got a great.
That was fun. Who's this guy? It's my dad.